You. You know how to make this? You know how to make this? If you don't, then I'll show you. If you don't, I'll show you. Okay. You need an equal paper. Okay, an equal paper. It can't be too. One side can't be too long. One side can't be too short. Okay, so you need an equal paper. Okay. If you want to, you can do measurements. Like, if you want to, you can help. If you want to, you can help yourself by doing this real quick. If you want to, you can do this so that you can help yourself in doing the next step after this one, if you do want. You can also do it the other way if you really want that. If you really want them guidelines, so yeah. So first, you need to take this corner, I guess, or any corner really, any corner as your starting corner. wait, Kiliki. So you need to take this, I guess. This you need to fold. You need to fold it. Make this corner touch the middle. Wait. Like. wait. My grandma in the background. I don't care if it's really the finished product for my beginners. Like this. You do it for the other sides also. You do it for the other corners. Where I need to. Then like this, if you want to. You can do like another corner that's disconnected from the starting one. Then this. And then this very top one will then go down here. So, yeah. So then you need to go from this side to this side, okay? Then you see this faint cross? You do the same thing as the other one. You take these corners and you put it in the middle again. You can start on any, just like last time.
Ajo po nas Christine kay grabe na. Ako mo pa itang humana rin. Unsa te? Ajo po ka kay na humana kag grabe. Ako humana rin.
Oh my god.
Apoy gid ko ni katina.
So, din mo gikuan. Awa pa ka kaman sa imong
Palagi na dapat
Zenziz.
big break.
Ako.
pitumpit.
Mana la uli mo daw dire. Lima uli mo. Kamu na mo na ang tide.
Can you go to Manila na already?
Uli ko ay. Ala niya.
Zenziz.
Asa man ni now
The
isulti.
back.
Kaning imong rayula.
You can do this if you want to make it easier. Make it easier.
Okay na, bebe. It is okay na ni imong libro.
I already did that.
Tapos kini,
Huh? Ano?
here ha.
Okay. So there's a folder.
Is nas folder oh.
Okay.
You know now what is the color na. Na dia hasta mo. Na diri butang mo be ah. Para di ka mangita ha. Na. Bibi. Kanina. Nasa front. Front mo yan. Iipit na mo. And then your crayola is here. Ha? Dili na lang sa bag yung crayola. Ito sa bag. Buksan na.
So these things you're gonna have to open. You're gonna have to lift them up and put your finger until it goes to the very bottom.
Be,
Not the very
kani mong
bottom.
gunting sa
Near the bottom.
pencil case ang gunting ha. Kay makatusok ka ni ha. Shh! Pencil case.
Okay.
Basig mangita ka ani mga butang.
And then there you have it. There you have it. You followed my steps. You found the right. Found this path, and then you're over here to the end. Pick a number from 1 to 5. Open. That's what my mom told me how to play this game.
You have ballpen here, be? Extra ballpen? Wala.
Ballpen?
Dara di ha.
Night reserve. Oh, night reserve.
Reserve nimo. Duha ra ka buok. Two ballpen, only one. Reserve. And then, I will put this one ha. Oy. Kaneo, Crayola, and this one.
Okay. That's how you make one. 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 I don't know. I just burst out a song. I don't know. Bye.